Hi, everybody. This is Jody Susan with Susan Essentials, and I have my two supervisors. One's hiding behind me. Uh, there she is, Fagala, and we have Tinkerbell. And we're going to talk to you today about the building your healthy starter kit. And we're going to get right to it. So, the reason that this starter kit is so important, she has to be the king of the mountain. The reason this starter kit is so important is because it's these are the things that I use to reclaim my health. And so we have, I'm going to start in my own order, which is the water filtration system. So having a shower head, um, which filters out over 220 contaminants, having tap water um, that is clean and free of contaminants. And there's a ton of research that shows how um, these contaminants are contributing to the rise in cancer. So these are really non-negotiables when you want to reclaim your health. It's actually cheaper than purchasing bottled water. The second thing that's really critical are these EMF neutralizers. That's number 6 over here. Um, and it's like we're just gonna have Fagla's gonna stay down here with me. She's like, "Mommy, but I really like being on your head. It's just so much more fun." Um, so the EMF neutralizers are neutralizing the electrosmog in the home. There's one for the house, which covers 5,000 square feet. There's one for your devices. There's actually 3 adhesives. They can go to your phone. They can go to your iPad or whatever tablet that you may have. That you can put them on your computer. So the things that you travel with, right? And then the third part is for the car itself. So we have an EMF neutralizer just plugs in, and basically you set it and you forget it. Um, the other thing that we recommend for the Healthy Starter Kit are these essential oils, and the 3 most important ones are the lemon because it removes um, microplastics from your intestinal tract. It also helps with digestive issues. It helps with energy, mental acuity, and focus. The cilantro is really good for getting rid of most heavy metals. We have veggie caps that we recommend. If we're out of veggie caps, you can always get veggie caps online or at a local store. And just know that we don't recommend that you switch out the essential oils. But if you need roller bottles somewhere else, or you need veggie caps or coconut oil somewhere else, go for it. But because these oils are third party tested, you can take them and you can ingest them. Um, I highly recommend using these oils the way that we're suggesting. And if you have concerns about taking the oils, you should certainly um, make a free consultation, a 15-minute consultation with me um, prior to consuming any oils so that you can, understand what's best for you. And our number is on the thread. So we covered the water supply, the EMF, the essential oils. You're also getting 3 free products as far as building your own healthy starter kit. The download of my book, which will hopefully inspire you to reclaim your health. There's really good nuggets of information in there about key things that I did. The other thing is that sugar film that you can live stream. And that really gives you the foundation that you need to understand what's really going on. The last free thing that we have is the meditation that I created for the community. We all have behaviors that don't serve us. I mean, like we all do. I do, you do, all my friends do. We have them. That's part of being a human. So this meditation supports in releasing those behaviors. And Fagla says it's not just part of being human, it's part of being bird. So, and the last thing here, and this is really just a gift, is the Healy sessions. We're doing those. One Healy session is $15, which is, I mean, it's a drop in the bucket, trust me. And if you buy 4 Healy sessions for the month, it's 30. So it's 1 for 15 or 4 for 30. Yeah, you got that math right. So now what I want to show you is where on the website that you want to you know, where you want to find these things. So we're going to show you real quick. So what I was showing you was the functional food program page, which has a lot of explanation. But then this is the starter kit page. So that's right here in the far left-hand corner, up here on the top. And whoop, here we go. Right here on the top. That's what you're looking for, top left, starter kit. Click that button. And then you will see the product so you can build your own healthy starter kit. Here are the family pack. It's $176. Don't forget to add all your freebies, your guided meditation, the book, the sugar film, the Healy is not free. But then doTERRA, you'll go to an outside website, which is doTERRA.com. And if you already have an account with doTERRA, just order these products and use them as I suggest. If you don't, you can get it through me. And then finally, you'll be able to select here from the best filtration system for your home. You can over the countertop models. We have whole house models. We have shower heads. We have everything that you could possibly need for home, for whole house, for an apartment, dorm. If you're traveling to hotels, you're camping. We have everything, and so that's where you go to purchase and create your own kit. Buy it all at once. Buy it a little bit at a time. Do what works for you. That's why we've made it a la carte, so that you can support yourself the way you need to be supported. And then I'll just add this. Again, the program itself is $99, but I want to just share that, just to reiterate, this program is doctor recommended, and I will show you here. So Dr. Michelle Kukla, she's a doctor of psychology, and she was actually the one who introduced me to healthy living. And then we have Dr. Steven Spencer of Pro Touch Rehab, and he is just a powerful human being who understands nutrition, health, mindset, and programming, actually deprogramming our subconscious beliefs. We have doctors Quentin and Katie Slay out of Arlington Heights, Illinois, amazing chiropractors, but amazing humans, and really salt of the earth, and really supported me in reclaiming my health. And then we have our 2 executive coaches, Stephen Kohler, CEO of Audera Labs, and Dr. Tracy Cantor-Rudy, both of them also teammates. They are both really critical thinkers and really can support people in shifting their mindset. So we welcome you to the program and look forward to supporting you on your health journey. Thank you so much.